Bolinia. I think Martha's mom came to pick Rag from Bolinia. Only they drove from Cesena to Bolinia and Rag got them.
I see that church.
Yeah, from Milano Centrale to Bolinia Centrale Rag came. जब pick see, ये सब तो कुछ ज़्यादा तो high tech है भी नहीं.
Come. Sit down. बैकग्राउंड भी आ रहा है पीछे. You say something. थोड़ा और पीछे चले जाओ. या खड़े हो जाओ.
Hi, Gugu. Oh, this is Bolinia. This is where Raj got down when he came from India. He came from Milano Centrale to Bolinia Centrale, and Martha with her mom came here to pick him up, and this is where his journey began. And when we have come to Bolinia, so it's like that. Good, I hope. I wish Martha was here. We could have visited their parents, but still it's lovely. And we are going to Rome, from Venezia to Roma, and that's lovely. I'm enjoying the trip, and this is like bullet train, and the bullet train is damn fast, and it's good. It's good to be bullet train. I want to click a photo with the train, and I'm loving it.